Did you know there's a card that gives you 10% cash back at Walmart, even if your credit isn't perfect? Yep, it's called the Walmart OnePay Cash card. And today I'm breaking down exactly how it works, how to get approved for this credit card, and how to use it to build your credit and get real rewards. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share the best credit cards, loans, and work from home tips to help you build your finances and your freedom. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what I'm about to show you. Now, if you're wondering what is the One Pay card, now the One Pay card is a digital cashback card that lets you earn rewards on everyday purchases. Now, you can join online at onepay.com. It works like a debit card slash a credit card. It's easy to use for Walmart, gas, and online shopping. Now, the big highlight about this credit card is that they offer 10% cash back at Walmart during your first month up to $200 spent. After that, you still earn everyday cashback rewards on select purchases. Now, if you're wondering how does the cashback rewards work, I'm going to also break that down as well. So, 10% cashback equals $20 back on your first $200 spent at Walmart. Now, rewards can be redeemed directly in your checking account as well. It's easy to track system, so you'll see your cashback balances update automatically. Now, this credit card is great for people that enjoys going grocery shopping or household supplies or back to school shopping as well. Now, with this card, there is also no annual fee for most members. Approval process is fast and can be done completely online. May not require excellent credit, so it's ideal for people that is looking to rebuild their personal credit. You can link it to your bank account for easy deposits and withdrawals. Now, if you are looking to use the OnePay card to help you build your credit score, I'm going to also share with you guys some tips as well. So, you want to use this card responsibly, make small purchases, and pay off weekly. You also want to make sure that you keep your credit utilization low and build payment history with them as well. It pairs well with other rebuilding tools like Self Chime, Credit Builder, or secured credit cards as well. Now, this card is excellent to stack cash back and credit improvements. Now, if you're wondering if this card is worth it, in my opinion, I think so. If you shop at Walmart, 100% yes. Now, the 10% cashback alone is definitely worth trying. Now, and I think this card is also good for non Walmart users. So it's still a solid everyday cashback option if you definitely enjoy cashback. It is definitely 100% free to join, easy to use, and gives you instant rewards right away that you do not have to wait on, which I think is also great as well. Now, I also do want to share some more tips about this card. They do offer pre-qualification tools with a soft credit check. There is reports of limits being as high as $10,000 that you can be approved for with a FICO score still below 700, which I think is wonderful as well. Now, I also do want to backtrack when I say pre-qualification soft pull is available with the OnePay Walmart. So this is again a soft credit inquiry, so applicants can see potential offers without impacting their FICO score. Just in case you were wondering, what exactly did I mean when I say pre-qualify or soft pull? Now, there's also reports of people getting approved with credit score as low as 600s. that have been approved for a credit limit between 4,000 and 5,000. So with you having a lower credit score between 600 or below 600, you can still get a approval of a 5,000 at the highest. And then if you're in the 700 range, you can get that $10,000 that is reported as well. Now, if you are working on your credit, I can also help you with your personal credit as well. I teach people how to fix their credit, remove negative items, and rebuild step by step. And you can check out my credit repair program, a link below at creditwithinfo.com. So, when it all comes down to this, what do you think about the one paid card? Would you use this card if you were shopping at Walmart or for your cashback goals? I want you guys to drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs extra savings. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.